Data types mainly are of two types. Data types mainly are of two types. So yes, who is that? Sundar Rao, right? Sundar Rao. Yes. So the next session, okay. Today you can attend the session, right, everyone? But for the next session, the link is going to change. So tomorrow you'll be getting the new link. Means by tomorrow they'll be forwarding you the new link to your mail IDs. Yes, Sundar Rao. Tomorrow for everyone who have got enrolled, they'll be forwarding the links to your mail IDs. Yeah, data types, right? Yes, fundamental data types. Yes, fundamental data types. Collection data types. Fundamental data types means object holding single value. What is it? Object holding single value. Object holding single value. Example, right? X equal to 10. One object is created with value 10, right? The address is given to X. Object holding single value. X, whenever you say X equal to 10, one object is created, it is going to have some address. Yes, object holding single value. Collection data types, object holding group of values. Object holding group of values. Object holding group of values, set of values, collection of values, right? Example, X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. One object is created, right? One object is created, right? It is going to have some address. The address is given to X. Object holding group of values. Object holding single value. Object holding group of values. Object holding single value, right? And object holding group of values. Okay. Collection data type, object holding group of values. Fundamental type, object holding single value, right? Yes. Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types, right? Yes. Five types. Fundamental data types are for five types. First one, int, float, boolean, string, complex. Int, example, right? Example of integer. Age 25. 25 is nothing but integer value. Float means something in decimal, right? Yes. Height 6.3. Boolean, which returns either true or false. Which returns either true or false. String. Age 25, height 6.3, Boolean true or false, string. Sequence collection of characters, right? Like Hyderabad. Sequence collection of characters. Complex number, right? X plus IY. In general mathematics, like X plus IY. X is the term. Real and imaginary, right? This is real part, this is imaginary part. But instead of, in Python, instead of I, we use the symbol J, right? Yes. So int, float, boolean, string, and complex. We have got a lot of discussion on string indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, string special characters, right? Collections. Collection data types. Four types. Four types of collections. First, like list, tuple, set, and dictionary. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. List by using square bracket. List by using square bracket. Tuple by using normal bracket. Set by using curly bracket, right? Dictionary like key and value. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. By seeing that, see, Python provides simple syntaxes. By seeing that brackets only you should understand. Square bracket means list, normal bracket means tuple, curly bracket means set. A dictionary collection of key value. So example for this list, x equal to list of values. For this tuple, y equal to tuple of values. By seeing the bracket only, you should identify what type of collection it is. Ajay, name Ajay. Name is the key, Ajay is the value. Age 25. In this way. So collection of key value pairs. Name will be the key, Ajay will be the value. Age 25, age will be the key, 25 will be the value. Yes. So I'll be lot of discussion on this collection data type. We'll be discussing these things later, like list, tuple, sets, dictionary, list indexing, list properties, list slicing, list functions, list methods, list addresses, nested list modifications. Lot of discussion on these collections, tuples, sets, and dictionary. Nearly like 1 week we'll be discussing on these collections in Python. As of now, right, we are discussing fundamental types. We have got discussion on string. So yes, what is a string? String, right? A string is a sequence. A string is a sequence collection of characters. It's a sequence collection of characters. String is a sequence collection of characters. Yes, in Python, a string is represented, right? Using a Python, a string is represented using single quote, yes. Using double quote, yes. And using triple quote. String is represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Each character of a string is represented. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Every character. For example, just now I said city equal to Hyderabad, HYDE or ABAD. Fine. Single quote and double quote for single line string, triple quote for multiple lines of string like paragraphs, right? Each character of a string is represented and accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index starts from left. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. String supports two types of indexes. Positive index or forward index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Okay, just observe this, right? X equal to Python, X equal to Python. Python 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This forward index or positive index? Positive index or forward index? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Negative index. Backward index. Positive index are forward, negative index are backward index. Okay. Understood, right? What is positive index? What is negative index? Forward or backward index? Now try to say what is the value of x of 2? X is the string name. X of 2 value is what? Yes.
T.
X of 2 is t. X of -2 is what? Yes. -2.
0, sir. Oh, sir. Okay.
Oh. Yeah, you can use either positive index or negative index for accessing this, right? Any particular character from a string. Okay. So I'm just single line comment in Python starts with hash symbol. It's not executable. If you want multiple lines to be comment, start with triple quote, end with triple quote. Okay. X equal to 1. Okay. Python print x prints entire string. Print type of x. Type of x means string type. What type? String type. str. Just observe this. Check it. What type? String type. Print len of x. Print len, len. Len of x means number of characters. Number of characters within this means what is the length? 6. Number of characters, right? Length. Now y equal to programming. Y equal to programming, right? One more string. Print x plus y. Python plus programming. What is that? Python programming. Y equal to programming. What is the output? X plus Y. Python programming. This we call like concatenation. Concatenation, right? Nothing but adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Adding two strings, right? As first string followed by second string, right? Yes. Okay. Adding two strings, first string followed by second string. The run module, Python plus programming, Python programming. But I want space between this Python and programming, right? So add three strings. X is one string, programming is one, and between them one blank string, X plus space plus Y, right? Yes. Python programming, right? Yes. Next. Okay, next. String, what is that? String slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. String slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to Python program. Extract only Python from this? Yes. Extract only Python from this? Yes. Try to print only Python from this. Extract or print only Python. Print. X is the string. Start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start with 0. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 2. We need to give what? 0 2. 0 2. 6. Not 5. Actually 0 to 5 only, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to give 6. This we call it like lower bound. This we call it like upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. Upper bound is excluded. If I give run module. Python, what is that? Python.
Sir, could you please explain it once more?
So extract only Python means, see this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 5 only, right? But if I give 5, the upper bound 5 will be excluded. Up to 4 only it will consider. You want to get that n, right? So 0 to 6, 6 if it is excluded, you will get up to 5. Python 0 to 5. This indicates what? 0 to 5 only. Upper bound excluded. Understood now, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, extract only the middle portion of the string. Extract only the middle portion of the string, right? Extract only this PROG. Extract
Sir, I
here.
have one question. Can I ask?
Yes.
Sir, what is the difference between Python scripting and Python programming? Because I required to Python scripting language. That's why I'm asking.
So Python is a scripting language. Python is what? Python is a scripting language only, right? So yes, Python program. What do you mean by a program or a script? Script is what? Which is going to get interpreted. Program is what? Which is going to get compiled. But Python is not compiled. It's interpreted language, line by line execution. So it's a scripting language. Python script, we say Python is a scripting language. Program is something, right? It is going to get compiled and compiled, right? Okay. Try to say the output for this, everyone. In positive index, PROG. Yes, someone said, right? Yes, in the chart panel. Sundar Rao. Yes. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 to 11, right? Yes. 11 excluded. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Can I say in the opposite way? X of 11 to 7. 11 to 7, can I say? 7 to 11 means for PROG. But 11 to 7, if you go, it prints empty string. It prints empty string. Because always slicing in the forward direction, always slicing in the forward direction, right? Yes. Always slicing, you should go in forward direction, PROG. If you are going 11 to 7 means you are going backward. If you are going backward means always it prints empty string. Check it here, right? Empty string, you can see here, right? Empty string. Extract PROG using negative index. Yes, try to answer everyone using negative index.
-4, -7.
-4, -8, sir.
-4 to -8 means you are going backward. It gives empty string. Using negative index also go in forward direction only.
-7.
-7.
-7, -3.
-7 to -3. Yes, exactly. So here -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 and -4. You need to give -3. -3 if it is excluded, up to -4. -7 to -4. PROG, right? Yes. Okay, PROG, right? Now I want to extract the entire word program. Extract the entire word program. This entire word program I want.
Sir, -7, -1, sir.
Use positive index. Try to say using positive index first. X of
8.
8 is wrong. Everyone, try to answer.
7, sir.
7 to 7 you want, 8 you want, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 if I give, M will be excluded. 7
14.
to 14 if I give, yes, it works. But 14th index not available. We are anyhow, it is not going to access 14. It is excluded up to 13 only, it will consider. 7 to, yes, program. Otherwise, shortcut. 7 colon, don't provide this upper bound. Run module, right? 7 to 14. And 7 to upper bound, don't provide this upper bound, right? Yes. Both results the same output, right? Now, can I ignore this lower bound also in this way? Print x of, I'm not providing this lower bound, giving 6. Is it valid? By default, it reads from the start index to 6, 6 exclude up to 5. This and this both are same, right? We're not giving the lower bound, it will start from the 0th index only, up
Yes,
to
sir.
6. This and this both are same. If I ignore both lower and upper, will it be valid in this way, right?
Yes, sir.
Will read from the start index to up to the end index. Is it compulsory to use space there or not required?
Yes, sir.
So these two statements are valid. You use space or won't use it's similar to print x. Last three statements results the same output. Print x of 0 to remaining, right? X of 0 to remaining. So all these three statements results the same output. 4 statements results the same output. Yeah, all this results the same output, right? And final. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now, can I take the combination of positive and negative index like this? X of -7 to 11. Is it valid?
No, sir.
-7 means P. 11 means what? R. We're going in forward direction only, right? What is output? PROG. -7 to 11 means PROG. Upper bound excluded. PROG -7 to 11. X of -7 to 11. Next, for example, 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. What is that? First one is start value, stop value, and step value. Start value, stop value, and step value. Yes. 0 to 14 with increment of 2 means 0 index, next to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All even indexes. First P, next it prints T, next it prints O, space R, G, A. Start value, stop value, and step value. Okay, only even indexes. Next, print x of colon 2. Colon 2 means yes. Same output, right? This and this both are same. 0 to 14 are this. The increment of 2 results the same output. It prints only the even indexed characters. -1 means reverses the string. Reverses the string. Yes, reverses the string. Run module. Next. Have you heard about the word palindrome? Have you heard about the word palindrome? Yes. What is palindrome? If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Examples of palindrome, anyone? M-A-D,
Sir, madam, dad,
madam. If we reverse also, you'll get any more?
Level,
dad,
radar,
Yeah, radar, R-A-D-A-R, radar. Dad. Mom.
level,
What is it?
level,
level,
L-A,
VEL,
level, level,
LEVEL.
L-E-V-L,
Yeah,
L-E-V-E-L, level,
yeah,
yes.
level. Yeah.
Level, radar, mom,
Civic,
C-I-B-I,
VIC, VIC.
civic, okay, civic.
Yeah, civic.
And Malayalam,
Yeah.
N-I-T-I-N,
Okay. Wow.
race car. So in this way, right? Yes. Level, civic, Malayalam, these things, right? For example, x equal to M-A-D-A-M, right? It prints the same thing, print x. And reversing means how, just now I said reversing a string means this one. Yes, x of colon -1. Print of x of -1, right? If reverses, if I and store this in a variable y, store that output in a variable y. Now say print y. Now both x and y are the same or not? If you reverse it, or if you're printing the same thing, both. So it's a palindrome. If it is, you are getting the same output for both X and Y. Yes, madam. So it's a palindrome. Yes. So we don't need to write huge codings here in Python. We have got many inbuilt methods available. Right. We'll discuss one by one method. So string methods, right? String methods. To print in uppercase. X equal to Hyderabad, right? If you want to print this in uppercase, X is the string dot upper. That's it. It prints in uppercase. In upper. Lower, right? To print in uppercase. To print in lowercase. To print in lowercase. For example, x equal to yes. Mumbai, x equal to Mumbai. X dot lower. It prints in lowercase. Right? Yes. Run module. Combine lowercase, right? Yes. For example, observe this. For example, x equal to India, INDIA. I want only the first character I only in the uppercase, remaining I want in lowercase only. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower. How can I write this?
Capitalize.
So we have got x dot a method capitalize. X dot capitalize. Yes, only the first character I only in the upper, remaining all in the lower part. Remaining everything in the lower case. India only the first character I only the so printing everything in first only the first character I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Yes. Capitalize. For capitalizing, yes, for capitalizing the first character of a string. For capitalizing the first character of a string. And next, for example, I got a string like this. Good morning, Hyderabad. Printer. So now here I want how many words are there here? How many words? How many words? 3 words, right? Yep, 3 words. Every word first character in the uppercase. Every word first character in the uppercase. Remaining all in the lowercase. Every word. So what I need to use? X dot. The method I have got a new
Capital.
title. Capitalize means only this G appears in uppercase. First character only. But I want every word first character in the uppercase. So title, check it. G should be appearing in upper, M and H. Run module. Yes. G in uppercase, M in uppercase, H, Hyderabad, H in uppercase. Where exactly? Okay. This title can be useful in real time. Okay. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. Example, right, where it can be useful in real time means I got some employees data like Rahul, Ajay, Miller, Blake, James, Amar. In this way, some hundreds of names you got, hundreds of employee names you got. Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase. Very simple, right? Print emps dot title. Emps dot title, right? Yes. Save it. Run module. Emps dot title. Rahul or in uppercase, Ajay A in uppercase, Miller, Blake, James, Aman. So each and in this way, hundreds of employee names, every first character in the uppercase. If you want only the first character upper, capitalize. Each and every word first character upper, title. Next, we have got a swap case. Swap case, if it is converts one case to another, converts case to another case. Converts one case to another case. X equal to, right? Good morning, Hyderabad. If it is in lower, right? If it is in lower, converts to upper. X dot swap case. X dot swap case. X dot swap case. If it is in lower, converts to upper. It reverses the case. Converts one case to another. X dot swap case. If it is in lower, it converts to upper. If it is in upper, converts to lower. Reverses the case. So everything in upper case. Next, we have got a replace. We have got a method like replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. X equal to saying like Java is X dot replace. X dot replace the word Java with Python. Replace the word Java with Python. What is that output you get? Replace the word Java with Python.
Python is equal.
Yes, you will get the output like Python is easy. For example, Python is Java is easy and Java is simple. Will it replace each and every occurrence of Java with Python or only the first occur Java with Python?
Replace each one.
Each occurrence of Java with Python. It says Python is easy and Python is simple, right? Yes. Okay. Next, we have got one more method like count method. Just 2 minutes I take. Okay. It counts the number of occurrences. Of a substring or a character. X equal to, I'm taking a general string. Hello, 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 right? How are you? Right. Print x dot count of a particular word like hello, HELL. What is the count of hello? Yes.
3.
3.
3, sir.
A particular character also you can count, like count of character H, how much? How many times H has occurred? 4 times.
4 times.
Hello is 3 and this is 4. So in this way, we have got many methods, right? Not only this, like we have discussed upper, lower, capitalize, title, swap case, replace. Still, we have got methods like format, strip, find method, starts with, ends with, split. Many methods, right? We don't need to write coding here in Python. We have got methods. Yes. So as I said, we'll be discussing in brief about this Python core advanced application oriented modules. We'll be spending nearly like 70 hours on this in brief with multiple working examples. I'll be discussing like many different types of models related to different domains also. Some models related to data science, some related to big data, some related to graphics, some related to database, some related to operating system. And people who go for full stack web development, right? Yes. People who go for Python full stack web development, they will be given knowledge on this total web development courses like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the Django framework in brief with 15 to 20 applications creations and a project, right? And REST API. Yeah, fine. You can see in the chart panel, right? The course content is forwarded. Yes. Can you see that course content in the chart? And full stack course content, Python course content, videos, what are the previous videos link you can see, whatever the videos we have, the previous session videos, and 5,000 is the course fee for Python, and for total Python full stack, it's 10,000, right? Yes. Okay, the mail to which you are sending the screenshot. So after you done the payment, you need to forward the screenshot of your payment to that mail ID only. They will be forwarding you the link. So next class, the link next class will be on Monday. So the Monday the link will be changing. So you need to get enrolled, right? To get the link, right? So tomorrow by evening they'll be forwarding the link for Monday's class. So I said clearly, right? So for the first 1 week, 10 days, the class timing will be, it starts at 8 o'clock, later it will start at 7 o'clock, right? Yeah. Some query was asked.
Sir, yeah, I have a question, sir.
Hmm.
Is there any test or practices in daily basis?
I'll be providing some assignments and tasks once we enter into the topics, right?
Yeah, okay.
I'll be providing some assignments and tasks to work with. So 4 things, right? From what I am going to provide. Video session video every day you'll be getting the video session.
Okay.
You'll be, second thing is classroom notes, soft copy, whatever I'm typing, everything you are going to get, right, with the examples. Third thing, assignments and tasks to work with. And fourth is a WhatsApp group will be created for technical discussions. If you get any error, you can just take the snap of it and post in the WhatsApp group, or any other discussions, technical discussions, right, in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So okay, next class tomorrow Sunday there is no class. On Monday we'll meet at 8 o'clock. So with a new link, right? The link which is forwarded to your mail IDs, right? Yes. Fine. Any other queries? Yes.
Sir, if I go with the full stack, I can get the interviews. Later on, I want to learn something about data science and machine learning. Is the full stack is useful, sir, to upgrade myself?
Yes, yes. Full stack web development. So where you will be having Django framework. If you want to create any project, right, using Python, this Django is compulsory.
Okay.
MBT architecture. Yes.
Yes, after learning this Python, how to use this Python with DevOps? Because nowadays I check is DevOps is booming with Python.
Your voice is not clear.
Hello, now?
Yeah. Now
yeah.
it's audible.
Yeah. After learning this Python, how to use this Python with DevOps? Because I heard about now DevOps with Python is growing. So how to use this?
So here, if you go to any DevOps interview, right, the last round will be the Python, right? Interview round. Do you know Python? What is the knowledge of Python? Yes, we will be writing. So if you see, right, so we have got many modules in Python, right? Python provides many modules. Python today, right? Everyone directly or indirectly, if you go to any software job, directly, indirectly, you will be touching Python, right? You need to have the knowledge on Python. Means every high-end technology using Python as an implementation, right? Like data science with Python, big data with Python, like writing automation scripts using IoT with Python, robotics with Python, DevOps with Python, right? So it has got modules, 89,300 inbuilt modules for different environments it is providing. So even for DevOps side, right, Python is one of the best scripting language with vast libraries with vast varieties of libraries. So you need to have the knowledge of writing automation scripts using Python. So within this DevOps environment. Okay, so they will ask you if you have got knowledge on Python, what is the level of Python knowledge they will check, right?
Yes, sir.
In the once you go to the DevOps interview, the last round they will ask, right? If you have got knowledge in Python, what is your level? Rate yourself from 1 to 10. This way.
But this only enough this course for the DevOps.
Yes. See, DevOps environment, right? Okay. So see, different environments they are using Python. For different environments, different models are available. So how to explore those modules as part of this course you'll be learning. Means for data science, data modules are there. How we can explore how to import something from a module. How can I get help on it from a module? And how can get different ways of importing, different types, reloading, renaming. So about these models you'll be learning there. So after that, you can explore any module of your choice. And also how to write the scripts in Python. Everything you'll be learning in this course.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So if I'm done with the queries, I'll sign off for now. Meet you on Monday at 8 o'clock.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir, after 10 days, what would be the time of the class, sir?
7 a.m. Morning 7.
Okay, sir.
Now it's starting at 8, right? It will start at 7 a.m. Because there is a many request from many students, right? So those people who are going to colleges, those who are going to jobs, right? They
Okay,
can
sir.
sit on the class and they can go, right? Yes. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Fine. I'm stopping here. We'll continue on Monday.